Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you're not sure whether Adobe Acrobat is activated in 2026, don't worry. Adobe Acrobat makes it easy to check your activation and subscription status directly from the application. This helps confirm whether your license is active, expired, signed incorrectly, or experiencing verification issues. So the good news, you can verify your activation status in less than a minute. So first thing, check your account status in Acrobat, like open Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat. Okay, click your profile or account icon, usually in the top right corner. Okay, view account information. If Acrobat is activated, you will typically see signed in Adobe Acrobat or Adobe accounts. If Acrobat is activated, as I said, active subscription information, you will see it, licensed product status. So this is the fastest way to check activation. You can also check subscription information, like inside Acrobat, open menu, select account, and then view subscription details. So look for active, licensed, subscription valid, plan name. So if the subscription is active, Acrobat is usually activated as well. You can also check premium features, like try using a premium Acrobat feature, for example, edit PDF, organize pages, export PDF, combine files. So if the feature works without restriction, Acrobat is likely activated. If Acrobat requests payments or a trial, activation may be missing, the subscription may have expired, or it's done. So premium features require valid licensing. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.